In this video, we will see two more DOM methods. The first one is the append child and the second one is the remove child. So suppose if you have to create new elements when a web page is loaded, or if you have to remove the elements from the web page that is already loaded in the browser, how can we do that? For that, we have two methods. One is the append child and the remove child. So let's see append child first. So append child helps us in creating new child nodes when a web page is loaded. So suppose let's take an example. If you have a list that is ordered or an unordered list, and if you want to add a new list item when a button is clicked or maybe dynamically, how can you do that? So for that, we have the append child. We'll just use the append child method that will help us in appending a new list item to this list. Second one is the remove child. The remove child basically does the opposite of this append child. If there is already a list item present in the list, it will just take that list item and it will remove it from the list. So I'm in my VS Code and I have created a file named append_remove_child.html. So what I will basically do, I want to create a list and I want to create a button also. And when this button is clicked, the list, one more list item should be added to this list. So let me create a list first. So it will be an unordered list. Okay. And let the ID, suppose I want to create a list of cars, so let me keep the ID as cars for now. Suppose first one is the Toyota, and second one is the, let's suppose Swift, and let's suppose third one is the Hyundai. And also I want to create a button, so let me create a button, or I will just keep the text as add car, and on click. So what should happen? It should call the function add car. Now I will write the function in my script, and function, and the name of that function is add car. And yeah, what I want to do now I want to create a new list item and I want to add to the already existing list, that is the cars. So let's do that now. So to create a new list item, I will just keep a variable. It will be, let's suppose, car. And to create a new list item, what I will do, I will basically use the create element method of the DOM, and inside that I want a list item. Okay, and once this is created, so I've created a new element which is a list item and I have put that in the variable car. So now what I want to do, I want to make it, I want to add some inner text in it. So let's suppose I am creating a Honda car, that will be a list item. Once this is done, now I want to take this list and I want to add this new car, that is the Honda or the list item, into this cars. So let me do that now. So first of all, let me get the reference to this list, document.get element by id, and I'm getting cars. So to add now a new item to this, I will simply call append child. And what am I appending? That is that above car. So let me save it, go to my browser and open this file. So I have opened that file, and as you can see, there is a list with 3 cars, Toyota, Swift and Hyundai. And when I click add car, a new item is added to this list. So this is how the append child works. And create element is used to create a new list item or any new element you can add to the web document. Now let me show you remove element, how we can remove any element that is already present in the list. Let me go to my VS Code. Suppose, let me create one more list item. Suppose that is Honda. Let me comment this out for now. And now on clicking, I want to remove a car. I can remove any item, first or last. Let me just remove this Swift. Suppose I want to remove this list item, which is a Swift car. So how can I do that? And here also it will be, the text of this button will be remove car. For that I need to create a function remove car. And first of all, what I need to do is to get a reference to the list. So I can do that simply by get element by id. So that is cars. Okay, now this contains all the elements: Toyota, Swift, Hyundai and Honda, that is inside this list. Now what I simply need to do, I need to tell it list dot remove child, and which child do I need to remove. So I need to call list dot child nodes, that will give me all the children or all the child nodes of this list, that is this list item, this 4 list items. And since I need to delete Swift, I will just say second one, just delete the second child node from this list. If I save it and go to my browser, and as you can see there are 4 list items: Toyota, Swift, Hyundai and Honda. And when I click on remove car, you will see the Swift is removed from this list. So this is how you can add elements to your web page, already loaded web page, and how you can remove the elements from the already loaded web page, and how you can add the elements to the list, how you can delete the elements. You can just get practice with different elements, try to add a new div, try to add a new heading inside your web page. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys.